Wait a minute. So we're gonna pause a second, y'all, in our Readers Theater because we have a special guest. Wait a minute.
Let's see.
Do you guys notice that somebody super special just joined our program? Who do you think that is? Say it.
Jarod? Is it Jarod?
Jarod?
The guy who wrote the book. Oh, wait.
Yes.
Jarod.
That's me.
Got it.
Hi, friend. So we have a super special, super secret guest join us. Jarod, who wrote Red Panda and Moon Bear.
Hi, everybody.
How are y'all feeling right now? This super secret surprise.
Surprised.
Okay, good.
Show him your chicken, Myra. My heart is pumping.
Sometimes we have chickens come to our programs,
That sounds cool.
right? So thank you so much for joining us. We're so honored to have you here.
I'm so happy to be here.
So kind of you to offer. So we've been having this amazing conversation about Red Panda and Moon Bear, like super like deep conversations that the kids have said about kids being really smart and making good decisions themselves. That like the joy of the shock of the mystery, just lots of good read-alikes. So this has been
That's great.
Yeah,
I'm glad that you picked up on that. One of the things that I really wanted this book to be about is, you know, I have kids also, and I was a kid once, believe it or not. And one of the things my daughter always says to me is that, like, adults never listen to the kids, like they never believe the kids. And I wanted a book where the kids were always right. And so the parents and the adults couldn't solve these problems by themselves. They had to go to the kids. And I wanted to see what that world would look like if that was true, because I think that tends to be true often. And so I think as adults, we can do a better job of listening to kids.
So we're really, really lucky that we're gonna, so we surprisingly see you now, but that we're gonna actually have you visit our library virtually in October.
Yep.
And do a drawing workshop with us, which is super fun. So y'all should sign up for that. Can you tell us a little bit about what we should expect or anything that you want us to know about?
Yeah, it's a fun interactive presentation workshop where we'll be drawing together, and I'll be kind of taking you through my process of telling stories, which begins with characters. I think that that characters are always at the heart of a story. Stories never just happen. Stories happen to people. And so you need those people in order to know what kinds of stories they'll find themselves in. And so we'll start with developing characters and thinking through what goes into character development, and then imagining, well, what kind of story would this person cause to happen? Because I know that we tend to think that stories happen to people also, but also we create stories. We make things happen. We do things and we instigate things. And so I think it's fun to create characters thinking about the ways that those characters will go into the world and make things happen. So that's kind of what that workshop is about.
I am so excited, and I will definitely be there, and I hope all of y'all will be there.